Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about a Safemoon coin. What's the price prediction of Safemoon coin? What is the current price and what is the prediction of the new month? As you know, today is the first day of new month. That is why I decided to detect the next target, the next move of Safemoon coin on the basis of technical analysis friends. So friends, if you are new to my channel, so kindly you have to do a one work only and only subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, and like this video friends. Thank you so much for subscribe my channel friends. Now if you look the price change occur in the Safemoon coin, so the current price of Safemoon coin is about 0.000005 USD dollar is the currently price of Safemoon coin at this time friends. And if you look the price change occur in the Safemoon coin, so over and over fast occur in the Safemoon coin. The whole change, the last one day, the last 1 hour, the last 1 week change as negative friends. That means that the previous period of Safemoon gone wrong friends. Only fast occur in the Safemoon coin in the previous days friends. Now that is the last one day price prediction chart. Absolutely the chart structure is a complex. And if we talk about the price change, so the price change is about negative 3.11%, and the highest price of Safemoon coin is about 0.00005 USD dollar is the highest price of Safemoon coin and the last one day period friends. And as you can see here, if we look the price prediction chart, so over and over falls occur and now they are in the firing mood. So I think the future of the Safemoon coin gone wrong, and only I think for 2 days, for 3 days only fast occur in the Safemoon coin. After these days maybe they goes upward, maybe this take a jump in the future friends. So what's your opinion about Safemoon coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.